Introduction. The word festival means feast day, festive celebration. As kids, when there used to be festivals, only one thing that came to our minds was holidays and sweets that in turn meant lots of fun. India being a society of many religions, there are a lot many festivals. In this lesson, let us learn about the different types of festivals celebrated in India. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to define festival, distinguish among national, religious and harvest festivals, list the characteristics of some national, religious and harvest festivals. Festivals. A festival is an occasion for celebrations. Some festivals last for a day, while some others last for a few days or even a week. Festival times are happy times. During a festival, we clean and decorate our houses, wear new clothes, pray to God, exchange gifts with friends and relatives, enjoy delicacies. Festivals can be broadly classified into three categories: national festivals, religious festivals, and harvest festivals. National festivals. National festivals are celebrated by the entire nation. Some important national festivals celebrated with great enthusiasm in India are Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanthi, and Children's Day. We celebrate Republic Day on January 26 every year. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force. Independence Day is celebrated on August 15 every year. On this day, India got freedom from the British. Gandhi Jayanthi. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanthi on October 2 every year. The day marks the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, who played an important role in getting India independence from the British. Children's Day. The first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, was born on November 14. He was very fond of children, and children affectionately addressed him as Chacha Nehru. Hence, his birth anniversary is celebrated as Children's Day every year to commemorate his love for children. Religious festivals. Religious festivals are celebrated to worship our gods and goddesses. They vary from religion to religion. Some important religious festivals are Dussehra, Diwali, Eid-ul-Fitr, Raksha Bandhan, and Guru Parab. Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is one of the festivals celebrated by the Hindus. On this day, sisters tie rakis on the wrists of their brothers and pray for their well-being, and in return, brothers promise to protect their sisters from all evil. Dussehra. Dussehra is another Hindu festival that marks the victory of good over evil. It is believed that on this day, Lord Ram killed the demon king Ravan. People gather in a large field in the evening of this day and burn effigies of Ravan, his brother Kumbhakaran, and son Meghnad. Diwali. Diwali is also a Hindu festival. The word Diwali means a row of lights. Hindus believe that Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya on this day after 14 years of exile. Hindus worship goddess Lakshmi on Diwali and seek her blessings. They also exchange sweets and gifts with their relatives and friends. They also burst crackers at night and enjoy. Eid-ul-Fitr. Eid-ul-Fitr is a Muslim festival. On this day, Muslims offer prayers in mosques and invite friends and relatives to make merry at home. Guru Purabs. Guru Purabs are celebrated by the Sikhs. Guru Purabs mark the birth anniversaries of the 10 Sikh Gurus. On these days, Sikhs visit Gurudwaras, offer prayers, perform Kar Seva, and organize langars for the poor. Harvest festivals. Now let us turn our attention to harvest festivals. Harvest festivals are celebrated in different parts of India when crops are harvested. Some well-known harvest festivals are Onam, Pongal, and Lohri. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. During this festival, people of Kerala prepare goodies at home, play games, and participate in snake boat race. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. During this festival, people decorate their houses and worship the sun god for a bountiful crop. Lohri is the harvest festival of Punjab. On this day, people make bonfires and offer newly harvested crops to the fire god as a thanksgiving. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Festival is an occasion for celebrations. National festivals are celebrated by the entire nation. Some national festivals of India are Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanthi, and Children's Day. Religious festivals are celebrated by different religions. Some religious festivals are Raksha Bandhan, Dasahra, Diwali, Eid-ul-Fitr, and Guru Purabs. Harvest festivals are celebrated in different parts of India when crops are harvested. Some harvest festivals are Onam, Pongal, and Lohri.